Hi, this is Shanker, and I'm making these small videos for you to understand some predictive aspects of astrology. So today I'm going to talk about planets and their significators and how to use them in predictive astrology. A tip. Now, the planets which I consider as significators are Sun is for the first house, Jupiter for second house, Mars is for third house, Moon and Mercury for fourth house, fifth house is again Jupiter, sixth house Mars and Saturn, seventh house Venus for men and Jupiter for women, eighth house again Saturn, ninth house Sun and Jupiter, 10th house Sun and Mercury, Jupiter and Saturn, 10th house Sun and Mercury, Jupiter and Saturn, 11th house is again Jupiter, and 12th house is Saturn. So these are the significator for these 12th houses, which are extremely important. Now, whenever the significator of the house is placed in the 6th, 8th, and 12th from the significating house, let's say Moon is the significator for the 4th house, and if it is placed in the 6th from the 4th house, it is placed in 6th, 8th, and 12th, it will not give positive results. The other factors have to be considered, but this is a factor which will bring the whole thing down. Similarly, if Moon is placed in the 10th house, but it aspects the 4th house, it will give good results of the 4th house. This is irrespective whether Moon is a malefic or a benefic, whatever in that particular scheme of things, in that particular ascendant. Moon could be anything, but if Moon is aspecting the 4th house, it will give the advantages of the 4th house. Similarly, it applies for Mercury, but if Moon is in the 6th, 8th, or 12th from the 4th house, it will create issues, negation of the 4th house. The same thing has to be applied with respect to all the other significators of the houses. A look at this will explain you which are the positive and potential houses. Whenever the significator is placed in the 5th, 9th, or 11th from it, it will give good results. 6th, 8th, and 12th, it will be not good results. It will be negation of the results. So this is how you have to look at things while taking the significators of the houses. Also understand the difference between Mars and Saturn. Like Mars and Saturn both are the significator of 6th house. Now what does Mars do and what does Saturn do? Mars when is a significator of 6th house, and when it aspects the 6th house, it will destroy the diseases, it will destroy the deaths, it will finish the enemies. Or when it is placed in the 5th or 9th from the 6th house, or if it is placed 6th, 11th from the 6th house, it will create a positive impact in terms of destruction. Similarly, Saturn is also a significator of 6th house, because Saturn itself signifies debts, losses, delays, tension. Saturn as a planet signifies those things. So whenever Saturn is aspecting the 6th house or placed favorably from the 6th house, it will not completely destroy, it will delay. So if there is an inherent potential, it will not destroy, it will delay. Saturn is the pattern of delay, it creates delay. So if there is a potential, it may create debts, it may create losses, it may create issues in terms of fear, anxiety, but there will be a factor of delay. So this is how you have to understand, when Mars and Saturn, I wanted to explain this is important, a little different. Being the significator of 6th house, Mars is victorious, Saturn delays. So that is how you have to understand. Similarly, if the Karak is in its own house, I've seen in most of the cases it will deplete. It is known as Karak Bhav Nashe. That is, if Jupiter is in the is signifies 2nd, 5th, 9th, and 11th, and if it is placed in 2, 5, 9, 11, it will create issues. It will negate the particular significators, significations of that particular house. So this is another thing which you should remember. So this is an important predictive aspect which I wanted to tell, and I'm sure you can use it. and you will find it very productive in terms of analyzing a chart in a very uh, pragmatic and a constructive way. To see the potential of the chart, this becomes very important. However, then the other factors are also critical. I mean, Dasha, Bhukti, Antar, placement, aspect, conjunctions, nakshatra lords, etc., are very D charts. All that have to be considered. I'm not saying that they have not to be considered, but this gives a fairly good idea in terms of the strength of a particular house, and the significating planets do tell about it. So remember, when it was similarly, Venus is significator seventh house. If it is placed in sixth, eighth, and 12th, it will create problems. Venus in 12th, Venus in second is not good for the seventh house. So, this is how you have to analyze, and I'm repeating it. I'm repeating at the cost of, increasing the length of the video also. So this is it. You can always contact me on my email ID. And thanks. Bye for now. Today was Nami, so I thought I'll make this video so that it is effective and helps you in your predictive skills. Thanks. Bye for now.